Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.